What's up? My name's Taylor, and come right along with me to go check out this abandoned spot that I just found. It's actually a falling apart motel. So stay tuned and we will go check this bad boy out. All right, guys. Made it to the abandoned motel. Let's go ahead and take a look. And let me take you for a walk through one of these hotel rooms. This is where you'd walk in. Straight to your left, you got your bathroom. As you can see, it's been used. You know, a little broken, but still works. And then this is what would open up to the main room. And I bet back in the day, this is one expensive hotel room, especially with the view of that pool. Yeah, you can see all the black mold and stuff right here. This place has been abandoned for a while. Like part of the roof's collapsing. Here's the courtyard. Here's that nasty, nasty green pool. Ugh. Wouldn't want to take a swim in that. You can see all the mold and algae built up in the bottom. You buy the old hot tub section. Boom. As you can see, big old tree growing through there. It's got the spa rules in the back still. But yeah, it's a little overgrown. It looks like they used to have a tiki bar up here. Gotta be careful because a lot of these boards are broken or very rotted. This is where you would have came up and got your drinks. Not so much anymore, though. Another beautiful view of this pool. This right here is one of the abandoned hallways of this motel. It is creepy, creepy. Is anyone in here? It's a shame that a motel this beautiful was just abandoned like this. Whew. Definitely freaking creepy. All right, upstairs we go. Check it out up here. Tell you what, I've seen some creepy shit, but this is creepy as frick. Here, we'll go ahead and look in this room real quick. As you can see, where they used to have the bathroom, got the little tub. Then a nice big balcony to overlook the woods. And it looks like this hotel is one of those hotels that had the adjoining room. You know, if you came with friends, could rent the rooms right next to each other and boom. Super creepy. As you can see, it's right off a main road too. It's crazy how abandoned this is. You can even see people working off in the distance. There is an old abandoned tennis court right there. A little overgrown, lots of weeds and vines and stuff growing all through it. All right, y'all, so we're just gonna keep making our way along the edge of the building. Holy cow. This looks like one of the big conference rooms. This place is massive. Oh yeah, there's the divider right there. This is definitely an old conference room. And this is so a shame. I'm sure this used to be a beautiful hotel. See, insulation's falling out. I mean, it's been all graffitied up. Looks like one of the men's old bathrooms. Yep. Ooh. Not gonna walk any farther because this floor is moving. Wow, looks like there's a fire at one point. Holy cow, yeah. Big freezers. I guess this is where, if you were to order room service, they'd come right to you. All right, I think we're coming up to the front of the hotel. The front lobby area, yep. So here's the front lobby area. This is where you would have came to check in when you're coming to this hotel. As you can see, and here, the road is literally right there. There's part of the front desk. And here's another front lobby area. As you can see, the ceiling's all missing. Boom. Here's another view of this kitchen. And you see some extensive water damage. Yeah, this is wild. This was a big hotel. Here's one of those big freezers. Definitely not going in there. Oh. Wow. Nope, that's just another freezer. It's not a bulb. All right, we're back out here. Looks like there's some outbuildings right there. Might go check those out. Let's see what this was. Honestly, do not know what this was. This looks like one of the old utility maintenance buildings where they may have kept, you know, all their golf carts and stuff while they were working on everything. Oh yeah, big old electrical room. That's what it looks like, at least. You can see the big panels back here. Conduit and stuff. Used to have some pretty gnarly electrical ran to it. Not anymore though. Right here's the other end of that maintenance building. Couple old mattresses and stuff. Go ahead and go upstairs and get a better view of that pool. There she is. Nice and green. All right, so we've got one last building I want to explore, and it's that one right there. So we're gonna make our way down. All right, so it looks like we've got another little conference room. Like a bunch of little conference rooms. Not quite sure where these stairs go, but we shall find out. And, sure enough, it is an old tapered conference room. Kind of reminds me of college a little bit. Do not miss those days. Here's some more stairs going up. Yeah, it had a whole little control room up here. Okay, something big is up there, like a raccoon. Not gonna deal with that. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get out of here so we don't fall through the floor. All right, that's all, folks. That's the end of the tour. Stay tuned for the next one we got coming through. Thanks, and bye.